don't know that it's working.
28 fireworks.
It should work out here, but I don't know.
It's 28.
Yeah.
It's
dumb.
Why didn't you just bring the tripod out?
Because I couldn't find it.
You were
Oh
the
my
last
god,
one
I
to
could just
use
see
it.
I could just see a car coming over here and it just blows it up. That'd be funny.
I'm sure that camera doesn't fall off.
Okay.
Oh, look at that!
Pretty
They're cool.
Or fine.
Spaghetti squash is really good.
Squash is so nasty.
It's not nasty. You have squash all the time.
That one was very loud.
That was
Oh, I
loud.
like that one. That was cool. Ay, ay, ay.
I'm sorry it looks like that.
Oh, that is so cute.
That one was long.
I know, but
How did you come up with that? How did you come up with that thinking? It's logical.
yeah, I have good assumptions.
You have good assumptions. You're so weird. You remember you gave birth.
They look like frogs are jumping everywhere. They're on fire. You see like those green ones
Oh,
are moving everywhere? They're like little
cool.
frogs.
Why do you always make the loud one?
Oh look, they have little. Oh no, they're not frogs.
Oh, it's the same
They're
thing,
flying.
Tyler.
Those aren't frogs though. They're not jumping everywhere on the floor. The green ones are jumping everywhere on the floor. They're just disappearing into the sky.
That's too cool.
What the heck?
Ooh, look
Oh.
at that.
Okay.
Oh, that one's-
Well, mine has second rounds.
You see, you keep getting the log ones. See, it's already like long enough.
Tyler, you're gonna beat my.
Wow.
You just spray some of that stuff on your.
Recording the thing. Don't burn yourself.
Hear that?
Move.
That was the sound of last weekend at the
Ooh, hoo, hoo.
Weekender. You could have been a business Orlando Weekender. I'm moving some music in my head.
A lot of smoke.
Some rays,
Oh yeah, that little whistle really kills you.
but don't worry.
Love it.
There's always next weekend.
Look at that.
There's a Hilton for you. Join the Weekenders for the lowest prices on 14 hotel brands. Book direct at
Oh, that was cool. Why is he out here without shoes on?
Go light it again.
No, it's lit.
It was a stud. Go do it again.
I don't trust myself.
So why are you out here without shoes on?
Because I can.
Good job, Tyler.
Oh, shut up. I'll do the next one.
That's cool.
Wait, so I still got the loud ones. Wow. Just recognize that. Why do you keep picking all the quiet ones?
Because I don't like loud stuff.
It's weird. It doesn't seem like a coincidence anymore.
You notice how the lighter ones come out underneath it? Looks so cool.
Oh.
Guys over there, you're right. There you go.
Run.
Run, Forrest, run!
That one's bright.
I still keep getting the child.
You're the accident.
And I can only bring that up because I was born first.
Dad, get out of the way.
Do you think you're in the... Wait, no.
I'm getting the tall one.
Smoke.
See that one? They all have a lot of smoke.
If you touch one of those, it's gonna burn you, isn't it?
Yes. Well, that is too cool.
Let's start a fire.
Wow.
Mine's really long.
It's really nice.
And he
though.
keeps
It's
getting the
really
long
pretty.
ones, Mommy. I don't get it.
I want to see them all burn on fire.
Tanner doesn't really like lighting them. He's a very scared cat.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting
Move,
Don't
Tyler!
Yeah, blow up.
My
I
God.
don't want to burn myself. I'm smart.
Yes, you're very smart.
I guess that's sort of like a tiger. Tiger's fury. You know what's cool? It was the little green light.
That's actually a fire. That's the thing you lit.
Lime. The lime. Still keep getting the loud ones.
Okay.
Baby mom.
Hey, what do you say?
Baby mama.
Baby mama.
Said it at the concert and then I had to light it.
Oh
Because
yeah.
he's only getting that bottom half of you. I'm gonna have to buy fireworks next year and pay for them and have the guys over here blow them up.
This one also sucks. What was this one? This one's the Enigma one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Hey, you can hear it in the floor.
Still going!
Yeah. Oh wow.
Still getting the light. If anything keeps happening, I'm gonna get a loud one. I've been getting most of them. This one's long. Axel hasn't stopped.
Where's it from? I bought it a long time ago.
Is that the Playboy bunny?
Yeah.
Just recognize that.
What?
That's
My
hilarious.
Playboy bunny shirt. I've had this forever. Yeah, I know.
Recognize you were wearing a Playboy pajamas. Wow. You've been wearing this for years and I just finally recognized what you were wearing, Mommy. That's hilarious.
Really, Brandon? Really? Get out of there!
Get out, get out.
Get out!
Huh?
Different colors.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that one pretty? That was cool!
Oh, the most powerful one there so far.
That was good!
We should do all the rest of the three at the same
Still
time.
recording.
Okay.
What? What's wrong with my shirt?
I still think I think it's funny that I just recognized what you were wearing. Like, and you've been wearing this for a while now.
Oh, I wore it the other day and I'm wearing it again today.
I just never recognized it.
It's been a long time since I've worn it.
Who's this porn star?
Huh?
Who's that one? What's her name?
That's probably Marilyn Monroe, I'm not sure.
Mia Khalifa.
That was cool. Oh, hold on a minute. It's not done yet.
That was cool.
Look at those purple spikes. You want to listen to a really terrible person in general.
Who is that?
I think Miley Cyrus.
Miley Cyrus. Oh, I don't know. I don't listen to her stuff.
She sucks.
But it's obviously it's modified.
They still suck. I don't like the song or any of the remixes. Let me sit down. Oh, it is.
I love seeing them. I just don't want to
My time.
That doesn't change the fact that you're still scared.
I am. I'm very scared of those things. I love.
Man, why don't you
seeing them.
like put your hand over one of them?
I love
Why
to
would I
see
do
them,
that?
But I'm terrified
You're
of
such
them.
a man.
I'm not an idiot like you.
Whoever said I was gonna do that, because I'm apparently a pussy.
Oh, nice. That was.
Here, Brandon. Let's fix this up.
We had one year and you boys went on exercise. That got ruined, and then your dad still was able to light it, and it still fired. It was so pretty.
Who ran away fast?
You're a pussy.
Okay, go.
I swear, if that car comes in front of my fireworks. Wow! Huh?
The noise that car went over.
Are you gonna go like a banana? No, you want to like a banana? I don't know why they're calling things weird names like that. They don't even have to be resemblance of the shape or whatever.
It's yellow and long.
That was nice. I like that.
Leave the trash bag out of the way too,
Leave the trash bag on the way.
so it's not being videoed.
It doesn't really matter, Bob. It's just a
Just bring the bag over here.
Another truck. Are you serious?
This one's gonna pass you in too. Yep, I knew it. Big ones over here. I do different music every year. Okay, let me.
What kind of music does he listen to? Please don't tell me it's rap,
Okay.
because I can't tolerate rap.
His hands
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. What will we
We
try
could
to do?
shoot some reggae. Reggae's cool.
Reggae. Reggae.
Pistol Pete!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Awesome.
I like
All right. Next one.
it. I like it.
Yes, he picks very weird stuff.
I can't say anything. I listen to Irish music.
For the
so.
longest time, his favorite thing was It's Raining Men.
Oh yeah, that 80s song. I love that song.
That wasn't an 80s song.
I don't care. I still like it.
That was 70s and 60s.
That was still a good song.
It's raining, man.
Oh yeah, there's a dubstep version. I need to put in that one later.
Oh my god. Ooh, look, here comes the second fire.
We got competition. Damn, that was loud.
That was good.
Okay, bye.
The best of the best.
Yep, we're doing Dazzle.
That's all. Things are
Alright, I already pulled a piece.
Kial.
Oh, he pulled all the wicks out of all of them already. Okay.
You have to be careful with that. Maybe they can all be, you know, maybe some of that flame could go into all of them and we would all have like a big bomb. And it would hit your car, so it would make even more of a big bomb.
have to get the focus on the camera.
I know better than to believe that that's just going to flare out. I've noticed all of them get that, you know, they're going to flare out thing and then they come out with some really good stuff. Yeah, it's like, see, that's what I'm talking about. This is too cool.
$100 a piece.
No, those mortars are like 10, 12, 10, 20 bucks each.
Yeah, but your
Don't waste
parents did that one year.
Blazing.
They got the big
The
one.
blazing red.
Remember? This was before the boys were born.
Yep,
Way
the blazing red.
Wait, let me
This
see.
is just 1 or 2 years after you and Henry got married.
Let me see.
It was for New Year's.
Wait, here's the Raining Men one that I like. This is the remix.
Why would you remix Raining Men?
I don't know, they add dubstep in it. That's what makes it better. Wow, it's so big.
Tyler, look at the fireworks.
I am.
It's raining, man.
Oh my God, Brandon! I'm gonna go on the rest of my life without seeing that.
Did you call me Brandon?
No, I was talking to Brandon when he was doing that. You weren't
Oh
watching.
yeah, seizure. I know, I saw him doing the seizure.
Oh, is that what they call it?
Yeah, that's what he calls
That's
it.
wrong.
I sure.
She's a single woman too. Tyler. She did what she had to do. All the angels raise the sky. Every woman finds the It's raining, man.
Voice crack.
Tyler, I'm recording. This is going on YouTube.
Music.
Separate them, but you gotta make it quick.
I mean, be quiet.
They're boring.
Okay, just listen to the music. Brandon, hurry! You're gonna get squashed.
Yeah, he's gonna like the other way. Brandon,
You're gonna get burned. Just let the other one get the fuse. You know, look, it's gonna get it.
That'll go like the other side.
I could put on really brutal music here. What was that? Are you an elk? Oh look, they got a little wisp. Wisp. Wisp and Sprite. Those are the same thing, aren't they? Wisps and Sprites.
I like that one. Got all the streaks sticking off like that.
Wait, what's this one called? Buffering.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, you already did all the other ones?
The walking zombie is the biggest one. Wait, it has to focus.
Take in there.
Right there.
Take it in.
Okay.
This guy has such a bad username too. His name is Future Dolphin 052. Let's hope a zombie plague comes out of this.
No.
Hey, we get to bash some zombies. We got a flashlight. We even got this. We can burn the thing.
Oh, look at that.
We can burn some zombies. Zombie invasion, like small.
Here comes the second wind of it.
Cool.